learned that the Trust was doing something I've always been interested in, which is preservation of some of our heritage, built and natural. I had an idea that this is something I wanted to be a part of. Another friend signed up with me, and we were just in time to join them on one of their New York country tours. We had gone that year to somewhere in central Trinidad to the Temple in the Sea and a couple other things. And each time as other people come along with me, family or friends, they have only good things to say about the work of the Trust. Whether it's going out and outings or whether we are in for lectures sometimes, there's always something to learn. Every time you walk into a forum that the Trust has organized, you leave enriched in more ways than one.
Nelson Island has been a particular focus. There's an initiative where schools visit Nelson Island and see where the immigrants had to come as a quarantine station before they came to the mainland. It's important that our youth get involved so that they know the history.
Over the years, the National Trust has been known for the many public awareness programs. We've done a host of events, all with the aim of raising awareness among the population as to the need for conservation and preservation of our built and natural heritage, and by extension some of the cultural and more intangible heritage. The National Trust is also responsible for listing of sites as heritage sites. When a site is listed, it receives legal protection.
People really like to see us interacting with our culture and our heritage. It makes them feel more connected. I work a lot with the Facebook page and talking to people through our Facebook page. We have this series of YouTube videos coming out, and people are so fascinated by the fact that we have heritage sites in Trinidad. The Trinidad Government Railway video, people are responding so well to it because they feel like, oh my goodness, I remember this, and look at back in the day Trinidad when they had the tram around the savannah. I never saw that in my life, and I know that there are some people who kind of feel the nostalgia for it because they've seen little relics, so people really connect with stuff like that.